Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you want to transfer photos from your Android phone to your Mac, you can do it easily using Android file transfer. In this video, I will show you step by step how to connect your Android phone to your Mac and transfer photos, videos and other files. First step, open your browser and search for Android file transfer. Then press enter. Now scroll down. Now you can see here macupdate.com Android file transfer. Just simply click on it. Now click on the download button. As you can see, the download is successfully completed. Now let's install Android file transfer. Simply double click on the DMG file. Now just drag Android file transfer to the application folder. And that's it. Now you will see here the Android file transfer app. First, connect your USB cable to your Mac with your Android phone. Then open setting, open file transfer. Open and simply select file transfer and then open Android file transfer app. Now you will see here the files of your Android phone. Just simply go on the photo section, and from photo section simply just drop the photo to your Mac. As you can see here, the photo is successfully transferred from Android to my Mac. And that's how you can easily transfer photos from an Android phone to a Mac using Android file transfer. It's a simple method that does not require cloud storage or an internet connection. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more Mac tutorial. Thank you for watching.